Cream cheese versus mascarpone. Can you substitute?
Hello everyone. Today we're delving into the wonderful world of cheese, specifically cream cheese and mascarpone. A question that often pops up is, can mascarpone be used as a substitute for cream cheese in recipes? Let's explore this topic together.
What are cream cheese and mascarpone?
First, let's understand what these two types of cheese are. Cream cheese is a fresh cheese that has a mild, slightly tangy flavor and is known for its smooth, spreadable consistency. It's made from cow's milk and cream and is frequently used in both sweet and savory dishes. On the other hand, mascarpone is an Italian cheese that's incredibly rich and creamy. It is made using only cream, which is why it's slightly sweeter and less tangy compared to cream cheese.
Can you substitute mascarpone for cream cheese?
So, can you substitute mascarpone for cream cheese? The short answer is yes, but with some considerations. Mascarpone can work as a substitute for cream cheese in many recipes, thanks to its creamy texture and mild flavor. However, its flavor is less tangy than cream cheese, and it's also slightly more liquid, which could slightly alter the final texture of the dish. For dishes that rely on the tangy flavor of cream cheese, such as cheesecake or cream cheese frosting, the flavor might not be quite the same with mascarpone. For other dishes where the cheese acts more as a thickener or binder, like in pastas or dips, the difference might be less noticeable.
What if I need the tanginess of cream cheese?
If you need the tanginess of cream cheese, but only have mascarpone on hand, there's a simple trick you can use. Try adding a bit of lemon juice or vinegar to the mascarpone. This will not only add some tanginess but also thicken it slightly, mimicking the consistency of cream cheese. Remember, these tweaks might not work for all recipes, so it's all about experimenting and finding out what works best for your specific needs. So, there you have it. Yes, mascarpone can be a good substitute for cream cheese in many recipes, but remember that there may be slight differences in taste and texture. It's always great to have some flexibility in the kitchen, and now you know a little more about how you can use these two cheeses interchangeably. Happy cooking!